my grandfather's car. I'm so sorry. Please tell me you can fix it.
This engine block is going to take some serious work.
And the fender here is completely rusted through.
These here are the pistons. They move up and down.
Okay.
And this assembly is the carburetor. Needs a good cleaning before we put it back in the 60s model over there.
Oh, yep.
Get that spot right there.
Okay, how's that?
That's perfect. Good job. Just a few more turns and we're set. Hear that click?
Perfect. It's quite the upgrade visually, too.
There she is, good as new.
Better than new. Absolutely stunning.
There we are, the clearest reflection yet.
It's absolutely stunning, Dio. A true masterpiece.
She's running smooth now.
It sounds amazing. Thank you.